Hello, welcome to Niru's kitchen. Today we're going to make a basic Indian potato curry with these basic ingredients. Very simple. We've got 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 whole chili about this size, and we've got half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of sugar. We've got 4 tablespoons of oil. We've got 3 tomatoes chopped finely, and we've got 6 medium-sized potatoes cut into chip size. Okay, we're going to begin by adding the ingredients into a pan. 4 tablespoons of oil go in. We want to heat that up. Make sure it's heated before we add all the ingredients in. I'm going to turn the heat up slightly so we get the oil heating up. To add the cumin seeds in. As you can see, the cumin seeds are popping, and that tells me that the oil is heated correctly. Just swirl it around a little bit. I'm going to add the potatoes in. I'm going to stir it like this. Oops, then that got away. Really. To give this a stir. Now I'm going to add the salt and the sugar and the chilies in so that it infuses the flavour into the curry. And the sugar in the curry helps it to cook a little bit more quickly in the same time. Cover that up slowly. Just for a few minutes. We leave it to cook for about 10 minutes, stirring intermittently, making sure that it doesn't stick at the bottom. Make sure that we keep the tomatoes next to me so that when we're ready to add them in, about 10 minutes before we take it off the heat, we add the tomatoes so that it mixes well with the curry. The potatoes have been cooking for a few minutes on a medium-high heat. I'm now going to add the chopped tomatoes so that we can have a nice sauce in the curry. Okay. You can see tomatoes soften, it should develop a really nice sauce in there. So at the moment the tomatoes are quite raw, so we'll give that another few minutes on the same amount of heat, medium heat now, so that we give it time to turn it down slightly. I'm going to cover that up. Right, I think we're ready to add the coriander to our potato curry. I'm going to give that a stir first of all before I... As you can see at the bottom, there's a little bit of a sauce where the tomatoes have softened. I'm going to add the coriander now. Give it a nice bit of fresh greenness. I've frozen my coriander because it preserves it for longer. I'm going to return it back to the freezer. Cover this up for another few minutes on a medium heat. Hopefully this should be done in the next 10 minutes. It's been 2 minutes. I'm going to give it a quick stir and it's ready to serve. I'm going to plate it up for you. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's dish.